Welcome back everyone. We have till now performed that how we can set up our Burp Suite, and now let's see what we can do with it more. The first thing you will notice after the setup that if you have Burp Suite off, you cannot visit any particular website. Let me show you what I'm saying right now. So here is our Burp Suite, and if we just close it, and yes, I want to exit and close the Firefox as well, and if you can see there is no Burp Suite running. And now if we go to the Firefox and let's wait till it's get open and open a new tab, and if we try visiting for example vulntech.com, you can see the proxy server is refusing the connection. Now if you want to change the proxy, you can change it from the settings. Like you have to just go to the settings here and just scroll down, go to the network settings, and here you can use your system proxy as well, and you have to just deselect this manual proxy configuration. But for now we are not deselecting it or not changing it, but if you want to do it, you can do it. Now let's again start our Burp Suite and let's see what happens once we execute our Burp Suite here. So let's click OK here and let's wait till Burp Suite starts. Okay, so since Burp Suite is ready and running and Intercept is off, let's go to Firefox again, and if we try to visit vulntech.com now, let's see if we can visit or not. And as you can see, once our Burp Suite is running, we can visit other websites as well. And if we go to Burp Suite again, and if we go to see this HTTP history, you can see we have connected with vulntech.com, we sent a GET request, and there is a lot more. Now since this lecture is on the intercept option, so let's see what we can do when the intercept is on. Currently intercept is off, and if we go to the Firefox, as you can see, we can visit any website that we want. For example, our vulntech.com again. And here this is how we can visit this website. But what if intercept is off? Basically intercept option is something that it asks us to command it what we want to do with the particular request. So just open it once and it will basically now interrupt everything that we go through. And if you give attention towards this graphical user interface, now it has turned red, and if we turn intercept off, it is turned green. That means we can easily communicate with the web servers or websites. And even if you can read here, if you turn intercept on, messages between Burp's browser and your target servers are held here, and this enables you to analyze, modify these messages before you forward them. Basically we can do anything whatever we want with those requests. So let's intercept these requests and go to the website again, and if we hit enter to the vulntech.com, as you can see the Burp Suite is open on our terminal, and here you can see we have got some options here. We can either forward it or we can drop it. It's basically upon us. Also you can see we have got some request here in the text format that it is saying that we are giving a GET request here, and we can modify these things as well. We are going to do these in our further lectures, but for now you just have to know that we are intercepting this request. And as you can see in the Firefox, it is just like loading the website, or maybe you can think of it as when your internet gets slow, these things happen, but there is nothing we have to do with the internet. It's all our Burp Suite that is doing it for us. So if we type forward again, even if you don't want to click forward many times, you just have to go to this option and click on forward all, and click on forward all, and as you can see we don't have any request here, and we have successfully loaded our website. That's how you can intercept your request. For example, if we go to our Burp Suite and let's turn off the intercept and enlarge this, let's go to our this thing, and from this IP address of our machine, let's go to DVWA, and in the DVWA now let's go to our Burp Suite and turn intercept on. And now if we type here, for example, username password, that is test or admin here, and if we try to log in, we will get a request here, and it is a post request. That means we are trying to do something with this web page, we are trying to log in, and you can see we can now intercept with these requests, and we can also modify these. So for example, let's type pass anything here, and if we clear admin to test here, and now if we type on forward all and forward all these requests at once, there is no request here, and if you go back there, you can see it says login failed. Now let's go back again here, and intercept is once again on, and since the password and username is admin, so let's type test here again and test here again and hit enter, but nothing will happen because the intercept is on. And let's go here, and if we type admin here, and again if we type admin here, and if we hit okay, and if we now forward all the requests, now the intercept is off, and if we go back to this website, you can see we have successfully logged in to this web application, and it says you have logged in as admin. And if we go back here and turn on the intercept as intercept is on, and just type admin here and type admin here and try to log in, we won't be able to log in because we have intercept on. And we can change values here, just type test, or you can leave it as it is and click on forward all, and as you can see, logins failed. So basically with the intercept option, everything is in our control and we can do whatever we want. By this option, we can perform multiple hacking attempts, multiple penetration testing attempts, and in the further lectures you will know how we can use this option and how this option is very powerful for web penetration tester and bug bounty hunters. So let's meet you in the next lecture.